Those are some good watches. Oh my god.
It's got it here,
Oh, that's gold. Oh.
What?
Oh. Nikes. Alrighty, let's have a look. This one was a big one. Here we go. Here we go. Wowza. Oh, look at that. TV right there. Oh, some electronics and stuff in this thing. There's a computer. Oh my goodness, this is full. This is really full. Toolbox here. Okay. Alrighty guys, let's get in on it. I'm super excited. Some plants and some paperwork. What's this thing? This thing is super heavy. It's like a little table. That's actually pretty cool. Alrighty, so just the toolbox here. Just normal tools as you would find in a toolbox. Anything in this esky? Oh, what's this? It's a leg rope. Oh, what's this? It's still brand new. Oh, here we go. Ryobi 2.1 AH. Pretty good start. Yeah, just some work clothes, so just some more cutlery, just some more tip stuff, I think that is. Alright, what have we got in here? Fragile Copos. Oh, you see that? Heineken. Actually Heineken cups. Oh, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. What about these are shot glasses? Yeah, some shot glasses. Fragile. Just probably some more cups in that. I'm not even going to look in that one. That's probably just more cups. What's in this here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Hopefully some of this is real. Look at these. There's some rings in there. They do look like costume jewellery, but it could be something. This. Oh no. Oh, okay. Just some, I think they're earring studs. What's this? New fashion. Okay, alright. Does just look like costume jewellery and oh, okay. Oh, here we go. Some more costume jewellery. Surely there's got to be something good. Something good in this whole thing then. Just some stuff. What's this? A mat. What could be in this? Into some wheels. Okay, don't need that. Oh, there's a big chest. There's a big chest of drawers in here. What's that? Settlers furniture. Oh, solid pine. Okay, that's going to be a good one. Let's just get this computer. Let's get this. Oh. Oh. Let's see what's in here. Hey. Oh, thought we were going to have a bit of a snack then, but nope. Okay. Whoa. Ryobi. This is another tool. That would be nice. What's that? A sander. Beautiful. Beautiful. Got a couple tool things here as well. Tools, and more tools. Okay. More tools. I think this was a guy that was into his tools, which is good for me because they sell pretty well. That looks like a surfboard bag. That could be really good. Look at all this stuff in here. There's a rug down the back there. There's a that is a surfboard bag right there. You can see the top of it. And then we've got a massive couch as well. And then we've got some cane baskets down there. Tools. I can see Ryobi. That's always a good sign. Yep. Heaps more tools. Perfect. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's complete. Perfect. What's this? Another one. More tools. Oh, that's complete as well. Oof. This is gorgeous. There's the charger. Galaxy 8. Oh, that would have been awesome. Could be a wetsuit in here worth $599. That would be awesome. It's Quicksilver though, which isn't too bad. I've got there some photos. Don't really want to see those. What's this? Quicksilver. Oh, Quicksilver shirt, long sleeve button up. That's pretty cool. Well, at least they've got a bit of style in their clothing, which is always good. Look at that, another Quicksilver one. Beautiful. These are great. These are going to be not too bad at all. Is this going to be another Quicksilver? No, it's going to be Zara Man. Oh, let's see what's in this suitcase. Hopefully not clothes, hopefully it's money. Oh, is this the wetsuit? Is this the wetsuit? There's one wetsuit. They're inside out, but you get the gist of it. And here's another one. That's a Quicksilver one. That's a Quicksilver one. Oh, wetsuits go good too. And I think if I open this up, there will be more wetsuits. Look at that. Oh, they're good quality ones as well. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4? I think there's one behind there. About 4 or 5 wetsuits in this. That is beautiful, beautiful. What's that? Just a glass. That is nice, isn't it? This iPhone that's going to be in there. I'm going to stop the video right there just so you can subscribe to the channel, and if you are liking this video, give it a like as well. Let's keep on going. Oh, dang. Let's see if the charger's in there. Oh damn.
But still, we sold a case recently.
We did see the case recently. But that full. There's heaps of yeah, there's heaps of Quicksilver. Quicksilver stuff before as well, which was nice.
Heaps of clothes. Yeah,
heaps of clothes. That's all just clothes, isn't it? Alrighty. This is what I saw. These pair of Nikes, they're small. Hey yo. They are tiny. US 6 on these ones. They're really small.
Cool,
yeah. Look at the laces though, they're like new laces, hey. What we got here, we've got a box here actually, that could be something in the box. Oh, look at that, that's full costume jewellery. It's a little apple. Looks like, oh my god, looks like everything. Kids toys. This looks like some electronics, which could be good.
Oh yeah.
Well, there's a keyboard. Black Widow's a good brand. It would be nice if that is in there. Is it
Yeah,
heavy?
definitely.
Awesome. You.
I know.
What's in here? More shells. What's this? Hey, there's a milk frother. So we've got a couple of broken phones, hey? Chest box.
Oh, watches.
There's nothing in that, but I guess. Whoa.
You want to keep this?
Guess steel, genuine leather. That looks real, hey? That one looks really good. What's this one? Diesel. Oh, that's another good one. The diesel one.
Palm oil.
What do we got? Boss, Hugo Boss. Oh, here we go. Emporium Marni. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. Those are some good watches. My goodness.
This person
This person
spoiled.
gets spoiled. Yeah, look at all these. There's something in this one. I need to put these watches down.
It's got it here. Pandora.
Oh, that's gold. That's gold. Oh, yes. Oh, what's that? $5. Look, Mel, $5. Oh, there's some
Look.
coins in there too. Wow. What is that? Certificate. That means hopefully authentic diamonds, hey?
Oh my god, there's heaps in here.
Let me get that. Silver. That's silver. G-Shock. Is it in there? Oh, it's not in there. Oh, that hurts. That hurts.
Look at this.
Oh, wow.
That looks like Pandora.
Hmm.
Look at this little
That's really cool.
and there's lots of Pandora seats in here.
That's what we want to find. This is cool. This is that's a flask, that's what I call them. Ooh. Ooh, maybe $1. Ooh.
Ooh.
United States of America dollar. What if that was $300 Australian? That would be nice. Massage chair head thing.
Maybe there's a
Goes with
massage chair in there.
Oh, I did see something that looked like it, hey. Like that, in that thing there. The gloves. Might be like garden stuff. Oh my goodness. There's possibly a bed in here too. Alright, let's have a look at this surfboard. It is super light. Things there. Can you grab the end of it? You grab the end of it and I'll pull it out. Oh, JS Industries under that one. It's not a bad surfboard. That is pretty cute. Alrighty. Couple surfboards in here. Let's have a look. Oof. And we've got 3 surfboards in here. Rocks, bin, I'm assuming more rocks.
Is it rocks or is it rocks?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to keep this little side table.
I mean, you could probably clean it up.
Tent. And possibly another tent. Tent.
Oh my God.
Alright, more camping stuff.
Go through this part.
Some camping lights. And that's just a camping. That is the camping box. Just a cooler bag, I think. Sure is. It's a Billabong cooler bag. I see. Monitor. That's actually not a bad one. That's probably like the gaming one.
It's perfect for camping. Like solar.
Is it?
That looks like solar panel.
Open that up. Where's the opening for this? Yeah. Alright, so we've got some surfing boots. Hey? I think there's all just surfing. Oh, is it a wetsuit? Nope.
Surfing boots.
Some more surfing boots. That is a taekwondo, karate, and sleeping stuff. I don't know what that means. Oh,
What?
oh, Nikes. Oh, oh, are they new? They are brand new. Brand new. Oh yeah. That's a good pair. These look all really old though. What's in this? What's in here? What are these?
Wetsuit?
No.
Oh.
They're shoes.
Oh, they're boots.
Yeah. Ferrario.
Nice. What's these?
Some Uggs. Cute. I'll be right, yeah?
Yeah.
Uggs that go okay.
Yep.
Yep. Alrighty, so we've actually brought a couple home as we've had to get out of there pretty early. So these are literally the last two boxes that I haven't gone through yet. So what better to do it at my own home. Alright, are we ready? I think so. Alright, just a container. Just, what's this? Oh, it feels light. Feels light. Oh, that would be nice if that was in there. Without two watches, that would have been nice, but I don't think they're going to be in here. Oh no. Just a manual. No. Ah well. Ah well. Alright. Was it there? Oh. Oh. Laptop. Alright. That's not too bad. HP. Normally it's got the brand there. Oh, I think it's from Brazil. I think this one, storage container that we got, is Brazilian, so it's got a couple cracks in there. That's a goner, unfortunately. Just another rug, little bath rug. What do we got here? Just some books and stuff like that. Oh, that's still sealed. Kurt and Courtney. Oh yeah, alrighty. There's another one here. This one's been opened, but it's a sealed DVD. It's not too bad. Looks like the rest of those are just books. Just a notepad. This must be the charger for the computer there. Some paper. Some more books, I think. What's this one here? Oh, it feels really light. Missed out on 3 good things if there was something in there, but nothing in any of these ones, which is very unfortunate. Let's have a look at this last box here. And just some junk stuff, just some pens. Got a card here. Let's see if it looks like there's any money in it. No way. Woohoo! There we go. Always got to check the cards. Beautiful. There we go. There's a bit of money back. Phew. Alrighty, let's jump into the last box of this whole storage shed. Alrighty. Let's see what's in this one here. Just looks like a whole lot of cushions and cooking, like baking stuff. Cushions and baking stuff, hey? I think that's all just kitchenware. That just looks all like kitchen stuff. Nothing in that. Oh, okay. Oh well. It's a little bit of a letdown for the last box, but at least we picked up that $50 note.